In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Mr. President, judges, and all my dear audience, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, the topic of my speech is the mutual respect of Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu and the family of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. In one hand, as Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu is the companion of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, both in the cave and in the shrine. While on the other hand, Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu is from Holy Prophet's most beloved and is from his family. The relationship of honor and respect between Sayyidina Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu and Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu remained for life. On the one hand, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu says that, "O people, my master, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, says that looking the face of Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu is worship." While on the other hand, Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu says that, I am only one of the virtues of Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu. Respected audience, now have a look at another comparison. On the one hand, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, says and gave the title of Amanun Nas to Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu called him Kunta Khalifatan Haqqa. While on the other hand, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, gave the title of Asadullah to Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu, and Siddiq Akbar considered him most beloved. Respected audience, Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu describes the dignity of Siddiq Akbar in these words. He says that although he was weak in terms of his body, but in the religion of Allah, he was strong, humble temperament, and in the sight of Allah, he is highly valued. Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu narrates about Siddiq Akbar. Who Siddiq Akbar? Whom the Prophet of Allah, whom the Messenger of Allah, peace be upon him, gave his hearing and vision. And the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, said, Allah Almighty had bestowed me the reward equal from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam to till last one, and you have given the reward equal to that of my entire ummah. The matter of mutual respect and love does not end up here, but the relationship of mutual respect and love between Sayyiduna Siddiq Akbar radiallahu ta'ala anhu and Hazrat Ali al-Murtada radiallahu ta'ala anhu also inherited to their descendants. Mr. President and all my dear audience, Hazrat Imam Muhammad Baqir radiallahu ta'ala anhu was asked about decorating the sword. He said that there is no harm in it, as Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiallahu ta'ala anhu also decorated it. So the questioner said, do you also consider him Siddiq? Do you also consider him as Siddiq? My dear audience and fellows, what was the answer of Imam Muhammad Baqir radiallahu ta'ala anhu at that time? What was the answer of Hazrat Imam Muhammad Baqir radiallahu ta'ala anhu at that time? He replied, yes, he is Siddiq. Yes, he is Siddiq. And a person who does not believe that he is Siddiq, may Allah not certify his faith in this world and in the hereafter. This example of brotherhood and love, respect and honor was only found in the family of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and in the companions of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And why not? Because they were directly guided from the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. They were the breed of Ruhamau Bainahum and the example of oneness. They were the true believers and worshippers of Allah Almighty. They were the practitioners of Holy Quran and the practical example of Al-Hubbu Lillah wal-Bughdu Lillah. Thank you so much.